Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is ASELSAN demonstrates layered drone defense system against mini and micro UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle threats in live Ankara scenario. ASELSAN has demonstrated its integrated drone defense system in a live counter-UAV counter-unmanned aerial system, unmanned aerial vehicle scenario in Ankara. The Turkish defense company said the demonstration showed the coordinated use of İKTA, Gökberk, and EJDERHA against mini and micro UAV unmanned aerial vehicle threats. The two-day event was attended by Turkish and international media representatives and delegations from 20 countries. ASELSAN said the demonstration highlighted its ability to detect, track and neutralize multiple UAV unmanned aerial vehicle threats in a coordinated operational scenario. The demonstration included wirelessly controlled drones, fiber optic controlled drones and drones operating in swarm formations. The threats were detected and tracked through ASELSAN's integrated command and control architecture. ASELSAN said the demonstration validated a layered defense approach combining detection, soft kill, and hard kill capabilities. The company said the systems operate within the lowest tier of Turkey's Steel Dome air defense architecture. ASELSAN's drone defense system, known as DRONDEF, is described by the company as an AI-supported integrated anti-UAV unmanned aerial vehicle system. It is designed to neutralize mini and micro UAV threats and has a detection range of 10 kilometers. DRONDEF uses a layered structure that includes physical and functional destruction of threat subsystems. All subsystems can be managed from a single command and control center. The system includes İKTA for detection and soft kill, Gökberk 5 to 10 kilowatt laser weapon system, KORKUT 25mm airburst weapon system, and GoKalp autonomous interceptor drone. It also includes EJDERHAAD high-power electromagnetic system, Sahin Light, Sahin Dual and MIG-4 self-defense counter-FPV first-person view system. ASELSAN said DRONDEF can be used in mobile and integrated configurations. Its intended roles include protection of critical facilities, convoy protection and self-defense against mini and micro UAV unmanned aerial vehicle threats. In the first phase of the demonstration, two fiber-optic controlled drones approached the systems in a swarm formation. The threats were detected and classified by the İKTA counter-UAV unmanned aerial vehicle system, integrated with ASELSAN's Aura 200G multifunctional surveillance radar. The Drone Defense Operations Center automatically assessed the threats and assigned them to the EJDERHA high-power microwave weapon system. ASELSAN said EJDERHA successfully neutralized both targets using its directed energy capability. The demonstration then continued with two wirelessly controlled drones approaching from different directions. ASELSAN said this scenario simulated a complex and dynamic threat environment. After detection and classification, İKTA used its soft kill capabilities to disrupt and neutralize both threats. The company said the drones were neutralized before they reached critical engagement ranges. In the final phase, a fiber-optic controlled drone was launched towards the defended area to demonstrate hard kill capabilities. After detection and classification through the integrated architecture, the target was assigned to the Gökberk laser weapon system. ASELSAN said Gökberk acquired, tracked and destroyed the drone using precise laser engagement. The company said this completed the scenario and validated its layered approach to counter-UAV unmanned aerial vehicle defense. ASELSAN also highlighted the complementary roles of its counter-UAV unmanned aerial vehicle systems within a unified command and control architecture. Aura 200G provides long-range detection, tracking and classification of aerial threats, while İKTA delivers AI-powered threat assessment and soft kill capabilities. The hard kill layer is strengthened by EJDERHA and Gökberk. EJDERHA uses high-power microwave technology to disrupt or disable drone electronic systems, while Gökberk neutralizes targets through laser-based engagements. ASELSAN said the systems together form a layered and coordinated defense architecture. The company said the architecture is capable of countering both individual UAVs unmanned aerial vehicles and swarm UAV unmanned aerial vehicle threats. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.